So the 2019 marks the 11th year of officially celebrating reggae in the month of February. Acting Director of Culture, the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, Gillian McDaniel, is here with some details. Also, Gregory Sims, Director of Production at JCDC, has joined us also. Good morning to you both.
Good morning.
Welcome to Smile Jamaica. Miss Jill?
Yes, sir.
So tomorrow we start?
Tomorrow
Dennis
we
Brown's
start.
birthday, no? Tomorrow?
Yes, but his birthday won't be celebrated until the 24th, Sunday the 24th.
Why?
Because there are a whole slate of activities. It's going to be an exciting reggae month.
Where we start?
We start on Sunday with the church service at Fellowship Tabernacle off the boulevard. And we go into, there's a Junior Biles concert, there is the Rise Up benefit concert for Paul Barkley on Saturday the 2nd. There are a series of Reggae Month films. There is the Global Reggae Studies Conference. Okay. There's Ground Nation happening at Institute of Jamaica. It's just full.
So, Greg, they brought you in because you're Gregory Sims, or is that JCDC thing this is?
It's the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport. Of course, we are the agency responsible for the rollout of events and activities. And just to add, join us tomorrow morning at Heroes Park. We'll be having a nice gathering at the resting place at Dennis. Just to have some reflections there and thing. We kick off on Sunday with the church service. But we'll be down by the park singing with Dennis. Hopefully him now wake up and start singing with me.
Hopefully he does.
Reggae Month, Gillian, it's really, really grown in Jamaica, and I like it because it's Black History Month time, but I feel we're black, so we don't need to talk about black history. It's every month for us.
Yeah.
So Reggae Month is really, really important.
Absolutely.
Anything new?
Well, it's actually very significant this year because in November, as you know, the reggae was inscribed as an intangible cultural heritage of humanity. Right. And so that inscription is also kind of the icing on the cake, and we're celebrating that with the Assistant Director General of UNESCO, who is coming to join us for the Reggae Gold. And Reggae Gold is about 50 iconic reggae-related could be musicians, it could be a sound system, it could be a space. Right. So we are really coming out big. We're coming hard this year in relation to Reggae Month. But that intangible cultural heritage on the representative list is actually a very significant thing for us in Jamaica.
Can be Reggae Month without reggae shows, Gregory? I mean, last night, VP Records kicked off their 40th anniversary celebrations and launching their Strictly the Best album. What are some of the events that we can look forward to, music events that we can look forward to?
The big one is on the 24th of February on the waterfront downtown. Free, come on down and enjoy a tribute to Dennis Brown and enjoy and celebrate reggae music. There are so many events and activities. I'm inviting everybody, though, to check out our Instagram, Reggae Month JA, or our website, reggaemonthjamaica.com, and see the activities. There are some signature events that we're running. This event on the waterfront is one of them, the Reggae Gold Awards. Right.
Reggae Wednesdays.
Would have mentioned Reggae Wednesdays, the groundations, etc., and filming in the park, starting next week Friday, every Friday. Okay. So it's not just about reggae music, but reggae culture. You know, there's so much fashion and stuff, and we're encouraging everybody to do that this month. Set your favorite reggae song as a ringtone for this month. Yeah. Start wear the reggae fashion and have some fun and celebrate reggae music as now a global something.
Intangible cultural heritage of humanity.
You know, as something very important to not only us but to the world. It's a real force for change and good.
Not to belabor the point, but why don't you celebrate the man's birthday on his birthday? Dennis Brown. I hear you, and I hear it's the 24th. I accept that, but why not on his birthday?
I mean, you mean similar to Bob being celebrated on the 6th? Logistics. It was just the logistics of it this year because actually Sounds and Pressure is actually having a Meet Me on Beat Street. So they're erecting a Beat Street sign for Orange Street. And so we thought that it would be a very good segue with Sounds and Pressure actually agitating for several years to have that sign erected. That commemoration on the 24th is a good segue into the Dennis Brown concert on the waterfront.
You said Reggae Wednesdays and stuff. I suspect you'll have other events in the month.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Outside of what you guys are doing. Do they have
Absolutely.
to register with you?
That's right.
Is that what you want?
That's right. So check out our website. Go on our Instagram pages, connect with us, tell us what you're doing to celebrate Reggae Month.
And what would be the benefit? Say I am having something next Thursday that's not part of you, and I call you. What's the benefit for me to be a part of it?
There's potential for endorsement.
Okay.
There's potential for any kind of. We have a very supportive minister as well, so you don't know how things may work out for you. But we really want everybody to run in and big up reggae in a major way.
Yeah, you might get some production support. What the idea of reggae being recognized as an intangible cultural heritage, Gillian, is something that requires, I don't know, a little education. I think because we hear the music and it's ours, we don't understand a lot about reggae and its impact.
Yeah.
Ground Nation, I think, is one of the hidden
Gems of Reggae
Reggae
Month.
Month.
Absolutely.
Any specific themes? That we'll be discussing this
Interestingly,
year?
Ground Nation this year is actually focusing on dancehall, which it has never done.
Right.
So it's dancehall this year. It's called, the title is Freed to be Free, Dancehall, a Liberating Ethic. And so they're really focusing on the first one, on the second, Sunday the second. It's actually focusing on gender identity, sexual identity in the dance hall. And that is being moderated by Isis Semaj Hall. The next one is about altered body parts, piercing and tattooing and bleaching in relation to dance hall.
Okay.
The third one is about crime, justice, and punishment. And so we have a number of artists who are going to be performing, but also on
the
panels, as well as academics from various universities. So it's going to be an exciting month.
Okay, I saw the calendar came up before.
Yes, I saw that.
That's set in stone, or
No.
Subject to
We
change.
can always add events. The ones that are there will not change,
Right.
but we can always add
that's
events.
the calendar
Yes.
we're talking about now.
A reggae
And
university.
everything there would be endorsed by
the ministry.
By the ministry.
I want to point out two events that are happening. The Rise Up Benefit Concert for Paul Barkley, as I mentioned, on the 2nd, and the Junior Biles Concert on the 9th. And I'm highlighting those
Hang on,
because
where's the one on the second?
it's at Keysing Live.
Right.
And on the 9th, it's at Ranny Williams.
And the second would be Saturday.
It's Saturday coming.
Right.
I'm highlighting those because one of the things that has happened over the last 2 years that we have been tracking as a ministry is a number of entertainment practitioners who have died. And in the 2017, 2018, it's about 32 people. And so in entertainment alone. And one of the things that we want to support the entertainers. We want to provide for artists' well-being in relation to pensions, estate planning, all of those kinds of things. And this is our tangible way of supporting this particular event. So we're endorsing it. We're providing sponsorship support to both of them. And we're also assisting the ailing practitioners to kind of have dignity in
And we have Red Rose or Gregory.
yes,
happening as
on the
well.
17th.
Reggae Museum?
The Music Museum, that's on the table, for sure.
Not this year.
Let's see. With your support.
And I just want to add into reggae is used in worship. There's a reggae
Yes,
gospel
right.
concert coming
yeah.
on board, encouraging churches on Sunday or Saturdays.
Yes,
Play a little reggae music and praise the Lord too.
Good to see you, boss.
Good
All
to
the
be
best.
here.
All the best.
Thank you.
Principal Director
Yes.
of the Culture and Creative Industries Policy Division in the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, Judah McDaniel, and Director of Production at JCDC, Gregory Sims.